In 1933, Hitler came to power, and that changed everything, obviously, for a family like my own, mother's family, Jewish family.
It threw up some questions because I still didn't know the identity of one person.
It's my dad. He was a wonderful man. Really, a good family man, a good dad.
I just wanted to have a proper photo before the original one just fell to bits.
He met someone from the Fire Brigades Union who told him that the fire authorities weren't employing black men to be firefighters.
The heritage of your family is so important. You know, it's the fabric of who you are.
Well done.
Thank you very much.